Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time I drop anything, guys, you'll be notified. This time around, guys, I was outside, guys. I was in Sandton City for the first time, vlogging outside like this for the Pride Day for LGBTQI community plus, guys. Yeah, man. As you can see, the flags, guys, Sandton was painted with all different colors, guys, all different colors that you can think of to show the pride is here, guys. The pride is here to stay. We are supporting no killing to each other, no genocide, no whatever, guys. Let people be who they are, be proud of who you are, in fact. So yeah, man, so I went out, trying to vlog everything. There's like a market, guys. It was very nice, guys. Market all around, people are busy selling things around. Yo, guys, if you were not here, I don't know where were you. It was very nice, guys. It was very nice. So I'm gonna show you the whole match, the whole everything, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Don't forget, subscribe, guys. Subscribe and no to genocide, guys. Stay tuned.
For all that we stand for, we are so excited to have you guys here. And look at you. It's a full street of the Sandton city. So today, we gather here not just to celebrate, but to declare that we are here, we are visible, and we are unstoppable. And I really think all of you guys here are showing that we are really are visible and unstoppable. For 36 years, Johannesburg Pride has been a bold statement of freedom. And for the very first time, courageous protest marches to today's vibrant festival. Pride has been a platform for dignity, for equality, and for every queer African voice. And I really think all of you guys here represent that. Can we all agree to that? We march in a city that stands with us. Today we are so honored to have the executive mayor of the city of Johannesburg, Honorable Dada Morero. He is going to be leading this march with us alongside the other officials who understand that visibility is not just symbolic. It's a statement that our freedom matters and must be respected. But I want us to be very clear that while progress has been made, the fight is far from over. Remember that every step we take is a reminder of those who came before us, for those who are still fighting, and of the generations that will follow. Every chant, every flag, and every song is a symbol of resilience. I would like to acknowledge the leadership guiding this incredible movement. Please join me as I welcome Kate Ali, who is the chairperson of the Pride of Africa LGBTIQ+ Foundation, who has steered this organization for 14 years, building pride into Pan-African movement it is today. Kate Ali, beautiful people.
Thank you, Raj. Can we call everyone from all areas of the Pride spaces to come forward? We are ready to take the march out. before we go, the march will be going out 5th Street. So we're leaving towards your right, my left. I think there's been a lot happening this last week. I'm not going to get into it. No, we won't. Not here. I heard you and I'll take your instruction. Today we're marching for ourselves.
Okay.
We have a lot of work to do. There's been a lot happening. In the last month, we've had multiple issues surface. We are not going to use this platform for anything. However, the only thing we are going to use Pride and the March for is for the LGBTQ plus community. Visibility, awareness, make sure you are heard, make sure you are seen. We have a lot of work to do ahead of us. Even in South Africa, we've got to move from paper to reality. And I'm not going to use this as a political platform. It is a humanitarian platform. We're giving everyone a platform and a place to share their views, and it's welcome for everyone. I am going to hand back to Yaya. Love you too. Happy Pride.
Thank you so much, Kay. That was really amazing.
Thanks, bye.
And we appreciate you for the work that you do. It is so important. I see our comrades are here. I just spotted our Deputy Minister, Honorable Steve Letsike, who is going to be also joining us. But now it is my honor to invite the Executive Mayor of the City of Johannesburg, Honorable Dada Morero, who is our host for Johannesburg 2025, to say a few words. Honorable Mayor, please.
Sanborani, Dumelang, good afternoon, Goeiedag. Thank you so much. We are here, came out in numbers to celebrate who we are in our colors, in our diversity. I want to really greet our host, Mayor, Executive Mayor of Johannesburg, Raleboka, Mayor Rawarna, Mayor Dada Morero, for hosting us. I'm not alone also from national government. I am together with Honorable Deputy Minister Andries Nel. There we are. And you all know Deputy Minister Andries Nel is responsible for justice and constitutional development. But what I want to inform you of, it's also the responsibility. In the 6th administration, the South African government took a resolution that a task team that will be led, that coordinates the work of South African government is done through a national task team. And Department of Justice and Constitutional Development is responsible to coordinate at the government that work. I will allow, before I make additional comments, DM to speak.
My dear colleague, Steve Letsike, and greetings to everyone who's here in numbers, demonstrating pride and commitment. This is a struggle that has come a long road. Is one that I've been very proud to be part of for many decades and to continue as a Deputy Minister of Justice and Constitutional Development. On behalf of government, we commit ourselves to continue to uphold the constitutional rights of each and every citizen, and we do so proudly. Thank you.
So my message to you all, This is our country. Johannesburg pride belongs to all of us. We must always come out, we must always protect the spaces we come together. You have the support of the South African government. You have the support of political parties, including the one that I'm part of, which is the African National Congress. We stand with you. We stand in solidarity with the queer community, as queer as I am, and we shall never stop to be queer, to be beautiful. We will protect these rights. We will protect our democracy. Just know that the anti-group movements are always organizing. Those who are anti-gender, anti-rights, anti-democracy, we must organize ourselves to protect our rights and to stand in solidarity with our brothers and sisters everywhere. Those in Uganda, those in Ghana, those in South Sudan, those in Palestine, and even those in the US, we must stand with queer people everywhere. The same way we must stand together, we must stand against anyone who seeks to make us invisible, who seeks to make us, erasing us in spaces. You belong everywhere. You belong in the churches, you belong in the schools, you belong in universities, you belong in your communities. Like Johannesburg, the mayor, like Johannesburg, every corner of South Africa should be saved for every queer person. And that's what we must fight for. The hospitals that we are improving will serve you. The schools that we are strengthening will serve you. We stand together, black, white, colored, Indian, it does not matter. We are one South Africa. And this beautiful country of ours, as we know that pride, it's a space of protest. It's a space that we elevate each other. It's a space where we celebrate each other. This space, everywhere we are, shall be protected. And we thank Johannesburg Pride for organizing this space. We stand with you always and to more Pride events. Thank you.
1, 2, 1, 2. Ladies, gentlemen, and everyone in between, before I introduce myself, I have been given the great honor of introducing the Mayor of Johannesburg, Dada Morero. Please, everyone, put your hands together. Thank you.
Hello. Thank you to Joburg Pride. We are here to celebrate the Pride today. You are most welcome in Johannesburg once more. This is your city. Enjoy it and do everything you want to do today. Let's demonstrate to the whole world, especially the African continent, that we have rights and we must be allowed to celebrate ourselves and yourselves in this continent of Africa. No one has a right to discriminate against anyone. So we are here to give our support as the city of Johannesburg. But the last two things I want to ask you. The first one is, I would want to invite you to come and join me in cleaning the city of Johannesburg. The second one, the last thing I want to ask you, don't forget to pay your rates and taxes. Let's enjoy today, let's have fun, and God bless you. Thank you.
That was so incredible. Thank you so much, Executive Mayor, for those amazing words. And we can all agree that The city belongs to everybody that lives in it, and especially us as the LGBTIQ plus people, because we are all as equal. And now, Johannesburg, speaking of resilience, creativity, and queer excellence, it is my absolute pleasure to introduce to you a performer who embodies all that and more. Please put your hands together for the one and only Anthem the Diva.
1, 2, 1, 2. Ladies, gentlemen, and everyone in between of Johannesburg Pride. It is the biggest honor of my career as I stand here, by the way, on my birthday today, thank you. That's how y'all knew I was gay, baby. I was born on Pride, sweetie. To stand here in front of everybody, ready to walk up this street, to march in the face of people who would sooner see us destroyed. We stand here together, and I have been given one of the biggest honors of my career. I would like to lead everybody here before the march in the national anthem. But before we do that, my name is Adam. And how I start every single one of my shows, Johannesburg Pride, I need y'all to say, hi, Adam! Please join me in the national anthem. Okay. See, I gotta get my notes. Kozi sigeleli Afrika, malu paganyisu ponolwayo, izwa imitanda zoetu, kozi sigeleli. South Africa, South Africa. Baby, blow van ons hemel, die diepte van ons Heer. Oor ons ewige gedagtes, waar die kragte antwoord hier. Sounds the call to come together and united we shall stand. Let us live and strive for freedom in South Africa. Ladies, gentlemen, and everyone in between, today we march, baby. Take me to the front. I gotta leave these homes.
Thank you so much, Adam. That was absolutely amazing. And now we are about to make some noise to make sure that our voices are heard and all that we wish for our community. Let us make this march loud, proud, and unforgettable. Johannesburg, march with us.
It started back in 48. Stop the killing and the hate. It started back in 48. It started back in 48. Stop the killing and the hate. Stop the killing and the hate. It started back in 48. It started back in 48. Gaza, Gaza, you were right. Gaza, Gaza, you were right. Palestine will never die. Palestine will never die. Gaza, Gaza, you were right. Gaza, Gaza, you were right. Palestine will never die. Palestine will never die. Viva, viva Congo. Viva, viva Congo. Viva, viva Congo. Viva, viva Congo. Viva, viva Sudan. Viva, viva Sudan. Hey, ho, ho. Zionism has to go. Hey, hey. Ho, ho. Zionism has to go. Hey, hey. Ho, ho. Zionism has to go.
Mama, comrades! Mama, comrades! Are you going to be It's a run! Let's have the man!
Zionism has to go. Hey, hey. Ho, ho. Zionism has to go.
I was at the back and I was like, that's literally what I said. No one silenced me. The thing is, all I said that I was going to say
Let's wait. Just 5 minutes. Let's wait. Yes.
and when
Let's wait. We are running. We are not much more. And they want to put our messages. And you know it. You know what's my chief?
I'm going to get tired. I'm going to get tired.
Please.
Well, I don't know. I never
Leadership, I have your
It won't run over you. It won't run all over us in front of it. That is part of the problem too.
Just like Amazon.
Just like Amazon.
of genocide in Palestine. Pride is a protest, and having large corporatizations like Amazon sponsor it removes our political agency. We support Palestine in resisting the ongoing genocide committed by Israel and enabled by Amazon. Pride is not a party, it is a protest. We cannot stand by as marginalized communities and people are further marginalized by capitalist extraction and land theft. This is why we stand with Palestine, with Sudan, with Congo, with Ukraine, and with the Khoi and San people. We stand with the workers exploited by Amazon and are against the colonial exploitation of land and people. We oppose sponsorship of Pride as merely a celebration and partnering with those who wish to harm us. We fight for liberation is not over in South Africa, in Johannesburg. We wish to continue to embody the ideals that we cemented during the first Pride marches in Johannesburg in 1990. Our pressures are linked and solidarity should also be linked. We are here today to stand against corporate greed, against rainbow capitalism, against the pink washing of genocide. There is no pride in genocide. There is no pride in land theft. There is no pride in racism. There is no pride in queerphobia. Not in our name. We now wish to observe a minute of silence for, to name a few, our trans siblings who have died at the hands of hatred, our non-heterosexual siblings who have been harmed by hate, our intersex siblings who continue to seek recognition, the indigenous peoples of colonized terrains, LGBTQIA+ communities in Uganda and other spaces that outlaw them, the people of Palestine, Sudan, Ukraine and Congo. We stand together. A moment of silence, please.
We are dispersing and we are not.
Okay, Kay, we're going to be there in the next 15 minutes time. We're going to be there at the installation, yeah, for safety. About 6 people are injured, yeah. Yeah, okay guys, can we move on please, man? Thank you very much, man. Thank you, slowly but surely, in course. Slowly but surely, 1 minute, man, guys. Guys, come on, move it, man, move it, guys. Move it,
How are you doing? Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Armand Chiber, and I am the first openly queer Afrikaans artist to go mainstream. At the moment, I have a double platinum selling song, and I'm that bitch. And I'm gonna teach you some of my songs. It's okay. I can see there's a lot of non-Afrikaans people here, but I know you're willing to learn, right? So stand a bit closer. I don't want to feel alone here. It's Pride, for fuck's sake. Let's go. So the next song is called Goeiemiddag, my scout. Goed en jij? Ah, happy Pride. This next song is called Hana of My Life. And when I sing, Satya Hana of My Life, then you go, yeah. Alright? Satya Hana of My Life. And then I'm going, then you go, ah. Hit it for me, DJ. Are you ready?